Hello everyone. As you know, we are conducting the webinar on a weekly basis to access new features in Busy, and it will help you to enhance the knowledge of Busy. So today we are going to discuss the topic printing invoices in your local language with Busy software. That regional languages you can print your invoices. So if a business is expand into a new markets, the ability to generate invoices in the local language become essential for effective communication and building trust with the customers. With Busy software, you have the tools at your fingertips to seamlessly print invoices in any language, ensuring clarity and professionalism in your transactions. So during this presentation, we will explore the practical steps of setting up and customizing the languages preferences within Busy software, from selecting the desired language to configuring the invoice. We will walk you through the process to ensure smooth implementation in your business operation. And by the end of this session, you will have a comprehensive understanding of how Busy software empowers you to print invoices in your local language. Let us begin. So session objectives: introduction about the local language printing option, and second point is Google input and translate tool settings, second language configuration, and fourth is data translation, fifth is question and answer session. Please listen the session carefully. In between, if you had any such queries, you can ask the queries in a Q&A chat box. I'll take it in the end of the session in a Q&A session. Introduction: in Busy software, while most data is processed in English, there is a need at times to print invoices in users' native languages such as Hindi, Marathi, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, etc. To address this, Busy offers the second language support feature. With this feature, users can designate a second language apart from English and input specific company, item, and account details in that chosen language. So this is about introduction. Through the Busy software's this feature, you can easily configure your invoice copies through the regional languages. So it attract more and more customers for your businesses, and emotionally you can be in touch with your clients. You can generate more businesses from them. So Google input and translate tool settings. The first stage is Google input tool. The Google input tool, it is available in Google. Just you can search the word Google input tool for Windows 7, 8, 10, etc. So just you can search that keyword. After that, you will be getting on Google input tool in Google. Click on the Google input tool and download that in your computer. Once the Google input tool is installed, again you have to do one more installation called font installation. Which language you are required, you can install that font. For example, Hindi, if you want, you can install Hindi font. For some other languages also, we need to install the related fonts. Then only this configuration will be successful. So after doing this Google input and Google language font in your computer, you can go to the next step, second language configurations in Busy. That feature is available under the General tab, Administration, Feature and Options, General tab. Under that, you will be having the option second language configuration. Enable that. Later, you can configurations in your item master, account master, unit masters. So if the Google input tool and the language font has been installed in your computer, by default, the English is the default language. In case if you want to change the language, just you can press Windows and space bar to switch over the languages. So this is data translation. If you specify the company, then the company in Hindi, it will become like this. Customer, that is Grahak. Goods and service tax, that is called Vastu Evam Seva Kar. Product is Utpad. So like that, you can modify such kind of data entries done by you. So then you can save it. After saving this kind of entry, then it will be printed on your invoice copy. Let us see the session by practically how to configure these things in Busy. So currently I am using Windows 11 operating system in my computer. By Windows 11, if you are using, just you can come here, right side, you have the language option, this type of language option. Go to the more setting option. I am saying about Windows 11. More setting option, here you have the option to add a languages. Which language you want, you can just add it. Bengali, if you want, you can add Bengali. So select the language, just you can press next and install it. So this is for Windows 11 operating system. Windows 11 operating system, that languages will be installed directly from the computer. Once you install the languages, you can come down. Here will be have one more option called typing. In the typing option, there will be one more settings called advanced keyboard settings. So here you will be have an option called language and region. So here you will be have a language and region. In that you can see that that language is already installed or not. If it is not installed, once again you can add a language here. You can search the language and you can add it. By default, automatically that language will be going to install. Windows 11, it's very simple, so no need to do any manual installation steps. But if you are using in Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 10, etc., then you can search the language or search the Google input tool from the Google input tool. You can search by Google and go to the official website of Google. So this type of website will open. You can click is try it out, scroll down, try it out. So you can see that install the Chrome extension. If you want to add in Chrome extension, you can add it. Otherwise, you will be have another option like Google input tool for PC input tools, or else you'll be have some other website also. So you just go through the website and you can download the Google input tool for your PC, Windows 7. You can search like this. So you can see here, this is the Google input tool. You can download the tool and you can install in your computer. After the installation, which language you want to install in your computer, that you can search by like this. For Hindi, you can just use this link, Google Hindi input tool for offline, rajabhasha.net. I can share you this link for you in your inbox. You can just use this link for download the Hindi language. After installing the Google input tool, you can come to here and scroll down. Here you will have a link called Google Hindi input for all Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 10. Bottom you have Google Hindi input offline installer download for all Windows. You can just click any one of them. As per your hardware configuration, you can just click on that. Then one set of file will be going to install. So when you come to the Busy software, here you can see my screen. So this is the Busy software, right? I can show you how to configure it in Busy. First, you need to configure it in feature and option, general tab. In general tab, just you can press the F3 button, search the keyword second. Once you search the keyword, that particular feature get highlighted in yellow color. Enable that option. Once you enable, then save it. Second language support feature has been enabled in my company. Later, I can go to my edit company option, edit company. The first configuration I'm going to do here, modify company and second language. This option is appear when you enable the second language option. Otherwise, it can't appear. So just you click on that and you can type the keyword. For example, if you want to type in the Hindi language, then you can keep the cursor here and you can search Busy Infotech or Busy Stores. So likewise, you can type by the keyword. So if you want to switch again for the English language, you can press Windows and space bar to switch to another language, Hindi, some other English language or any other language. So this is the shortcut key. Once you've done this, you can come here, address, type the address of your company. So I already entered some address over there. So if you want, I can show you once again. So you can just search it as Delhi. So this is Delhi. Pin code is 110052. Okay. Then you can save the configuration and save the entry. The next step, let us see that how to configure the second language for the masters. That is for account master. Here I can go to the account master. Let me select any one of the party master over there. ABC company. For this particular account master itself, you have the option called second language. You just click on that and specify the second language in Hindi. ABC company. ABC. You can type like this, and here you have the option to specify the address also and to save it. This is party master modification. So after you specify the second language in party master, again you come back to the third option, that is called item. In item master, you go to the item master and select any one of the product. So let me select 24 mantra organic corn flour 500 gram. In this item master, the second language tab is available. Click on the tab, then this window will appear. Here I can specify the second language. 24 mantra organic corn flour 500 gram. So This is the item name, 24 mantra organic corn flour 400 grams. So next, if you have any item description, anything, you can use this description option. I can specify that in a regional language that should be printed on your invoice copy. Save it. So this is how you can configure the item name in your company data. So later we will see the unit also. In a unit master, you can go to any one of the unit master like the bag or anything. Select the second language option. Here this type of screen will appear. You can type this regional language, bag. So bottle. So this is how you can modify the unit master and you can specify the second language. So this is the configuration. Now apart from that, there is no any such kind of second language option in any master. These are the important master, you have to modify it. After doing this configuration, you go to the master menu. Under that, miscellaneous data entry, administration, miscellaneous data entry, second language dictionary. Second language dictionary, it is nothing but you have to import some of the commonly using languages, that is commonly using words in your data. That is like amount, GST, SGST, CGST, bill to, ship to. These are the commonly using words in your software. So that is why you can upload that kind of commonly using words in your data. Then it should be used for your invoice printing. So as you seen on my screen, these are the languages these are the commonly using words in your invoices: amount and authorized signatory, bill of supply, bill to, CGST. I already uploaded the dictionary file. Keep in mind the dictionary file for the Hindi language, it will be generated automatically. But some other regional languages like Bengali, Marathi and all the languages, this dictionary files it won't generate. We have to upload it by manually or we have to create it by self. So how to create it? So if you talk about any Kannada languages or some other languages, you just come here, miscellaneous data entry, second language dictionary. And for example, this one is bill to. You just type here. So you can type the dictionary words like this: bill to, shift to. So this is for some other language, but Hindi regional languages, we don't want to do anything. The dictionary file will be generated by automatically. Got it? So now again come back to my dictionary setup. So you can see the 89, 81, 87, 86, 83, 82, everything is written by the dictionary file. So you can see here, it is preloaded. Once you done this, you come back to the transaction entry portion. Transaction entry, when you punching any invoices to the party. So then if I'm selected the party name ABC company and I can select the item 100 pieces, price is 50 rupees. Second item is Ashirwad Atta 1 kg, 200 pieces. This one third item Ashirwad Atta 10 kg. Save it. Once you finish the bill, you can directly save the voucher. After that, sales invoice printing option will appear. Just press OK and you can see the invoice preview. So now the invoice preview is showing in a Hindi language. So before this, I need to do some other settings in invoice also. So if you want to print in regional languages, then it is mandatory to do some kind of configurations in your invoices. That is comes under the administration, configuration, invoice document printing, standard. Select the standard invoice format and select the sales invoice format name. This is the standard format, not a advanced format. Here also you have an option called second language. Click on the second language button. This window will appear. Suppose if I am mentioning here English, then second language won't print. It won't print. It will be printed in English itself. Now let me show you how it is work. So now it is printing in English. Again, I go back to my previous setting and I can change the language as second language. Save the configuration. See the preview. Now it is printing in a Hindi language. Okay. So this setting is very important to configure the invoice design. Otherwise, the second language it won't print. So apart from that, no any other changes in this standard format. Everything will be default. This is the very important configuration. Suppose if you are managing your company invoice with advanced design, then you can go to the advanced designing format. Select your format name and go to header, body, footer portion. Wherever you want to make a changes, you can just go to that portion, and here you will be have a different kinds of fields available. I can show you under SL. So these are the second language field available for the advanced designs. Address, line number 1, line number 2, line number 4 is line number 1, line number 2, line number 1 SL, line number 2 SL, line number 3 SL, line number 4 SL, alternate unit alias SL, alternate unit print name SL, alternate unit SL, billing address. These are the billing address fields. Bill to party, build party name address, build party name in second language, item alias second language, item description second language, item description. These all are item description for second language, master description. So these many fields available. Master description. Next is item name, item print name, item unit print name, item main unit serial second language, party name. So what all are the fields available in BUSY? That second language field comes in _SL. You can easily identify that which field is used for the second language. You can just use the field to print the second language. Okay. Here I can add one name called item name SL here, and I just save it. I'm using the A5 half page. This is my format. Again, I go back to my sales voucher, and I just open the bill, and I can see the preview with this A5 half page format. So as you seen on my screen here, the item name, it was printing in Ashirwad Atta 5 kg as a Hindi word because of this configuration. So in an advanced designing side also, you can easily put some field for print the second language. So next, one more point I want to show you that how to update the master names in bulk manner. That option is available under master, miscellaneous, bulk masters, sorry, bulk updation. Here, check or update account second language. You can just click on that option. So you can decide that which one you want to update: name, alias, print name, address. So there are 4 types of updations are available. All you want to update, you can select all, and you can just load the masters. Group wise also you can load it by Sunday debitor or Sunday creditors. So these are the party names. Select it, and you can just type their name. Account name is Mahabazar, and this one is Ramesh, Royal Mart. So this is how the bulk updation will be available. You can use this feature for easily update the account master names in a single screen. So next is item updation in a bulk manner. Just you select the item names by group or all items. Select all items and start to typing. So this is the bulk updation utility that we are provided under the master menu bulk updation. This is very important and useful utility to type the second language. So now let me show you how to configure some other languages. Hindi, that will be just now we have seen that how to configure Hindi, but I can take some other languages like Kannada or something like that. The same configuration that we need to do. Apart from that, we need to install one font. Which language we need, that font we have to install. That is like Marathi, Bengali, Kannada, some other languages font. That font is readily available in Windows 11. You just go to the languages and keyboard settings here and install the font that I already shown you. Add a language. First you add a language. Search the language in this search box. Install it. Once you're done, then here you come back, typing option, such a typing option, advanced keyboard settings, here languages. So no need to do these settings because this one is automatically default set by the Windows 11 operating system. No need to do this one. You just install the language, and after that you come to the BUSY software. You can use the key, shortcut key Windows and space bar to switch over the languages. Suppose if you are using an English language, then you can press Windows and space bar to change the language from English to Hindi or English to some other language. So now here I can show you one invoice entry. So this is the invoice, and in this item I specify the second language in Kannada, gold winner sunflower oil. So I just enter the name in Kannada. Once again I can enter gold winner oil like this and save it. Similarly for this item, coconut oil, you can see, and you can save it. Similarly for party also, just press the alt M button and you can see the language party, RK Enterprise prices. Address also you can type, and next is unit and all those things. Check the unit name, alt M. Here the unit was defined as numbers. So after doing these specific second language entries in your masters, then you can punch invoices. Later you can take a printout, so automatically it should be printed in your local languages, whatever you define. Some other languages also it can be print from BC. You can see in my screen the invoice will become like this. Okay, it's very simple configuration, easily configurable anyone. So there is no any such kind of big rocket science, very simple configuration. But you keep in mind, whenever you can do the configuration of second language, you should enable the second language option in your invoice. Then only it will be print, otherwise it cannot print. You can see second language. Here if it is as English, then English only print. The second language it won't print. One more thing I want to share you that the software captions it cannot be changed in second language. Only the invoice prints only comes in a second language. The software captions it should be by default in English. There is no any such changes. Okay. Dictionary file. This is very important factor. Dictionary file. For some other languages apart from Hindi, the dictionary file will be generated by us. That should be uploaded by us, unless the invoice copy it won't print the second language, because most of the commonly using words is there now, so that won't be printed in second language. It should be printed in English if you are not uploaded the dictionary language. That is the main thing here. So DL number, date, debit note, description of goods. So here I have uploaded only limited 200, 210, 190 second language dictionary files, dictionary words. If you want, you can add it more. So this is all about the second language configuration. Very simple configuration it is. Or somehow if you are configuring from your side, then you might be get some problems or some any technical glitches. So then you can contact our customer care number, 24/7 help desk number it is. The number is displaying over the display. The contact number is 8282828282 and our email ID is support@busy.in. Thank you.